That's better villain anyways. Okay. Playing Clown, arguably my worst killer. Arguably the worst killer. I would say the worst, but he's one of the worst. Look at that, we're getting value. Now it is a squad of Claudias, so they could be stealth lords. Here I'm cranking that one. There's more on this. Alright. Lizzie Gladiators got the spins. Which way did she go? She just kept on running this way. Alright, cool. That's a different one. Alright, she dropped it. Wasted. Alright, boys, watch this. I gotta reload. That's kind of a rip. Did she dead hard? I think she dead harded. I thought I could get her to medium vault that. The LD is here. So I mean, that's kind of cool. Oh, we got the hits. Nice spins. We're not gonna be able to pop that gen, they just finished it. Also, I remember that I have enduring, so I don't really need to be afraid of pallets. I can just crank on right through them. Direct hit. Alright. We need to get her with the smoke, so she's not going to go too far. Nice block. Don't matter. Looking around for any pallet stun gamers. Alright, I think they're over there. I guess it was just that gen that they were working on. I know they're working on the bladder generator. That's the one that got finished. Any done? Honestly. I don't know if we can make it to that one in time to pop it. If it is even being worked on. Nah. Always worth checking. I think they all went this way. They're not on that one or that one. They probably got the unhook and hopped around that one, if I had to assume. Yeah. No pop value twice in a row, which is kind of a rip. She didn't drop it early. If she drops it here, that's value. Okay. Oh, direct hit. Medium vault? Nah. Let's wait out the dead hard. If she dead hard, she makes it to the pallet. Yeah. Alright. Just going around. It's not on the pallet side. I'll watch this. Oh dang, she even vaulted that. I did not expect her to do that. She almost spinned us. But not quite. I'll be able to hook her and then get pop on that gen. If not, still working on it, that is. I feel like they had to spend time healing instead. On the far one. And now we get some value. Look at that. They seem to be rushing hook, so yeah. May just be going back to the hook already. We'll chase this girl. Oh dang, I expected her to mind game, but she didn't. Rachel wasted the pallet, let's go. She's gonna vault the window. Yeah. Alright, she just holds W here. I'm gonna go ahead and predict with the bottle. Got some value out of that. There's no pallet here anymore. She doesn't make it anywhere. So that's the value. If they try to spin, just don't swing and you won't miss. She gets the unhook, but like I don't really care. Oh, I kind of completely missed on that. She runs into the smoke. It's kind of value. I'm out of bottles though. I don't think I need any for this though. Oh, I actually got the hit. I'm surprised. It was going to hit validation me. We got the reload speed add-on, so we can reload quick and pick her up. I don't have barbecue or anything like that, so I can't really tell where the other ones are. Oh damn, she just hopped right back on this gen. Alright, she's up there in the far. We'll just throw that and hopefully make her think I'm going that way. Okay, she just runs through the building. Well played. She just runs this building. I don't want any part of it. Hello, Elodie. That's such a powerful building for clown. What the? Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna say GG and then be done with it. Okay, she just keeps on holding W. She most likely is decisive since there's an obsession. I didn't bring an obsession perk. That's usually the one that survivors bring. Yeah, she can't get that. We got 2 slug. That's pretty value. Great. They do pick her up there, though. Now they did bring 3 toolboxes, so they could be they're kind of rushing the gens. That's my first hook on Elodie. Alright, I believe she's dead on hook. Yeah, she is dead. Yeah, they're up on that. I'm gonna hope we get some pop on that. I don't know how close it is. I don't know where the last Claudette is. They're still out there. Get him slid on. The last Claudette's probably somewhere off doing a gen, which will be not very cool for us. The LD was just on the hook. I don't think she has dead hard. Oh dang, she does. Doesn't get her anywhere. Now the other Claudette's right here. Everyone's just vibing. I'm chill with that, honestly. I'll go back and pick her up. She's doing a gen, so she doesn't have decisive anymore. They're being really aggressive. She blew up the gen. Very cool. We're gonna pop it again, though. There's no point. Now she won't drop it that early. She's going to shack. Can we get her with that? Pretty cool. Direct hit on her. She gets a medium vault here if she vaults it. No, she doesn't. She does have dead hard. Yeah. She leaves shack. Drops the powder early as she should do. The other Claudette should be getting the rescue now. Yeah. Oh dang, I just got turned around for whatever reason. It's good. I honestly don't have time to waste, because they're going to hop right back on the gen. So if I could end the cycle right now, that'd be very cool. Yeah, we get her here. They're healing up instead of doing the gen. That's pretty cool. They healed really quick though. Alright. She went the other way. Got a bottle there, so it's a medium vault. Nice. I think Claudette's getting the unhook. She's going to W game. That's kind of a L bottle. She runs right into it. There's no pallet. Runs into it again. Alright. We're chilling. We're chilling. There's no pallets over here, so I bet I make it. Yeah. I do a basement here, but I believe she's last hook, so I don't think it matters. Yeah, she is dead. Oh yeah, they're healing. Right, that's no Jin progress then. Jins are so split. Oh, right there. No, on this one, they gotta be on that one then. No, they're not. They're probably stealthing around then. It is the Claudette squad after all. Yeah, here they are. This is the yellow bottle. For some reason, I thought I tapped it, but I guess not. There, she's going to Shack. Shack Pal's still up. She doesn't vault. She goes around left side. She does have dead hard though. Okay, she just leaves it. Big plays. I think Claudette's just chilling on that gen. This pallet's dead. There's no pallets in this area. She can dead hard, but she doesn't get anywhere. Alright, she's dead on hook. It's just going to be a hatch game now. Alright. We held incredible pressure there throughout the last few hooks. Or the last few gens. Gens were kind of flying. And once again, they did bring 3 toolboxes. I believe it was the Swift since they're... Oh my gosh. How lucky. Now, gates are kind of split as well. I don't know where she could have gone. I don't know if she just chilled over there trying to be on the gen. Or if she just went around and started looking for an exit gate. We are Speedy Gonzalez clown. Alright, here she is. Even though she dead hard, I still get through it. So cool. But yeah, GG's. GG. Alright, Merciless Killer. On clown of all people. I say people, but you know. Look at that. 2 med kits, charge add-ons, toolbox repair speeds, GG well played. They also had, oh, they both had built to last too. Yeah, this was a Swift then.